Gold prices rallied again last week, hitting the highs at 3600 towards the end of the week. Yes, after the breakout here, it has consistently stayed bullish and covered up right from 3350 to 3600 mark in just couple of weeks. Can we expect another bullish candle here in gold in the coming week? Can we expect price to move towards 3800 levels? Or yes, since the coming week is going to be another choppy week where the inflation data coming in from US should bring in lot much of volatility. And yes, it is trading slightly overbought. So can we expect a reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the coming week? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for gold. First with the Asian Europe session, next with the US session. And this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates consistently. See, people refrain from providing daily updates with consistency because uh, the chances of going wrong increases here. But yes, we do so consistently for last few, you can say 5 years or so. The subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications for both the updates. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Friends, your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my abilities. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. Let's start. See, first on the weekly charts, you can see this was the narrowing triangle. Now, the price is certainly giving a breakout here. This is the first observation, and we have seen a strongly bullish candle here, right at the top, closing right at the top here. Second, it has waited for weeks for 20 period to climb up. Now, the 20 period is sitting at 3300 levels, and that has become the base here 3300, 3250, and this appears to be a far below levels as right now the price is trading at 3600 mark and it requires a 10% correction in gold prices to move towards 3250. Appears difficult as of now, but yes, remember, the sharper the rise, the sharper the pullback always be. But looking at this move, yes, it has consolidated for weeks and now giving a breakout. That is the first observation. Second, you can see it has formed a neck here in Bollinger Bands and now expanding here. This expansion is very, very important. You can see it is also expanding on the downside simultaneously. And this is an indication. Look what has happened here. You can see this price stayed outside Bollinger Bands, consistently traded bullish. But one observation, whenever it stays consistently outside bands, it definitely gets a pressure from downside. Yes, it definitely gets a pull from downside. See, this is closed outside bands. Definitely in the coming week the band should expand like this, moving all the way towards 600 mark. But then again, staying outside completely Bollinger Bands is going to be difficult here. That is one observation. Also notice, since one pullback, it has shown three greener candles. Yes, a three candle pattern is done, and now coming week will decide which direction it wants to take. Stochastic, which is hit the bottom, is now back towards overbought zone. The MACD, if you look, MACD, since the highs it is retraced and now convergent here, though not yet crossed over, but yes, these have sharply come closer, and this possibly indicates that it might try to cross over and move towards double top. Now see, moving towards double top means where the prices are going to next few weeks of bullishness, and the price is going to hit $4,000. Anything and everything is possible, but I am striking a caution note here, which I am certainly doing so for gold for last multiple months. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. This is the third retracement here. Consistently it achieves higher highs, and coming week is going to remain a pretty important one for gold, because that is the only time when you can confirm that there is signs of reversal or not. Else right now it is not showing any signs of reversal. It is staying bullish. You can see again, see this, it is trading in this band, the RSI, again going to enter into overbought zone. Entering into overbought zone possibly indicates that it might try to move towards the highs and create a fourth top before showing any signs of reversal. Yes, this time the reversal, whenever it happens, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months down the lane in 2026, or in fact later, it is going to be a prolonged or a stretched bearish cycle. Right now, it is not showing any such sign though. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, what we had seen on the weekly charts getting replicated here: lower highs, higher lows, consolidation, and then this breakout has happened. Now see, the price is trading with divergence from 20 period, and this is shown a strong bullish move right from 3350 to 3600 mark. 10% appreciation in just few sessions. Now look at the last closing of the candle. It has closed outside bands. Hence, again, whenever the next session starts, not whenever, but coming Monday when the next session starts, it is going to feel the heat here. Yes, it has expanded exponentially. Look at the expansion. Though it is not that it cannot continue like this, a bigger bulge can be expected. But look at what has happened here. See, the higher the bulge, the higher the expansion, the sooner the pullback is going to be. Let's wait for this. Let's wait for this to happen. Now, remember, there are key support levels on the downside. If you recall, 3550, 3540 were the previous resistance for last week. Now, this is going to be the prime support for this week. A drop below 3550, 3540 should confirm the next round of drop. Where it might take it towards, it is going to take it towards 3500 mark this time. And even if it trades below this, the next support is going to be towards 3480, 3470, the next target zone. And below that, 3450, 3440. This is going to hold the key for the complete month of September. Any drop below this is the only confirmation of reversal. Till the time gold price trades above 3450, 3440, do not treat this as bearish here. Coming to 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, see the divergence of the price, then a pullback towards 20 period, taking the support from 20 period, it has moved upwards. Now, I do see this as a formation of symmetry here. This means when gold price is seen trading below 3550, 3540, this should confirm more downside. Else, right now, it is not showing bearishness. The moving averages are definitely bullish, looking upwards, and these are expanding here. It has shown a very strong rise right from the crossover here. At 3350, we have seen a stronger rally now. If you see the stochastic, this is entering into overbought. The MACD, which has hit the highs, it is retraced, now crossing over again for a buying trade. And the RSI overbought, just trying to cool down a bit. Coming to the monthly charts, and see, before we look into monthly charts, friends, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, which I think you should, because learning is the only investment which can give you profits throughout life. Join my 34th mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Only few seats are now available. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals, yes, again, should not miss this opportunity. And if you're looking for a trusted partner which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at monthly charts. What has happened on the monthly charts? You can see this. First, price is consolidated for 3 months here. It has formed a reversal sign as well. But since then, first bullish candle. And now this is the second bullish candle. Remember the previous candle also closing at the top and it's a flat bottom candle. The current one also almost equivalent to it. And in just 1 week, it has completed the gains what it has seen in the entire month of August. You can see the candle size here and here are almost identical. And now it is going to get difficult for gold. Might try to stay in zone. That is one possibility. Remember, the reversal is only below 3440, 3450 zone. As long as that zone is not taken, do not treat this as bearish. A complete reversal on the monthly charts is only and only if it trades below 3200, and it requires a lot much of effort now from gold on the downside to trade below 3250 levels. Now also look at the monthly charts. Since this consolidation post COVID, now this is a breakout journey which it is continuing for almost 2 years. Way back in 2024, 2023, September, October, you can find the prices were trading at 1800, 1850, and now this is doubled in just 24 months. Yes, doubled in 24 months. Very strong bull run this is. and still it is relentless. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Stochastic is staying overbought, and the MACD is definitely at extremes. I think it can stretch the run here, but at best for next couple of months, mostly the year end might signal a possible reversal, and in fact any of the next few months, any of the next 3 to 4 months are going to remain crucial for gold. It might strike the peak in the next few months, and remember, this time whenever it reverses, this is going to be a stretched bearish cycle. It has stayed bullish for months, and this time it is going to remain a stretched bearish cycle. Only thing is, from the point from which it reverses, that is going to remain critical. RSI extremely overbought. Historically, such overbought levels are not sustained, and thus not only the current month is crucial, but the next few months are also equally crucial. Only worry point is how high it is going to climb before it reverses. So considering this, now time for me to give you the trading levels. Now, first on the buy side, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 3604. Now, see why this rally is here. We have seen the data coming in from US on last Friday, that is yesterday. We have seen a, a worsening jobs data, worsening job situation in US that has caused the worry and the panic. And this has also signaled that possibly the rate cut is going to be sooner than expected, and then it is going to be faster than expected by US, and thus this is causing the gold to rally here. The second thing is the inflation data. That is something we have to watch out, because if the inflation data is not supportive, let's say the data on the jobs is getting poorer but the inflation also climbs, which most probably it will, it is going to be difficult for Fed to decide the next path. Hence we have to be extremely watchful for the coming week. And thus, when you see it is staying beyond 36.04 levels, expect 36.14.15, then 36.28.30, 36.46, 36.71, and then I will be looking forward to the next market 3700. Yes, it can do so. It can in fact do so in a single day. Then expect 37.20 the next, 37.50 the next year. Chances for such a rise appears less, but yes, these are markets. If the data is supportive here for inflation, from the inflation data is supportive for gold, we can look forward to a massive rally here. While on the downside, a sell-off at 35.77 can be taken. Expect 35.64, 35.50 and 35.40. This is the first crucial zone which gold has to trade below. Expect 35.24, 35.10, 34.94, 34.80. This is the next crucial zone. And this is the ultimate one. Any drop below 34.50, 34.40 is the only confirmation of reversal here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the everyday or twice a day updates. Do not miss to join the next mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.